I definitely have another suggestion for another idea that you could come up with. And it's a little bit more hands-on, but you could totally do it with your mobile phone, and you could do it within your neighborhood. So what you could do is try to understand what kind of location and space really inspires you, whether it's a closed environment or a broader environment. And then interact with people that inhabit the environment and ask them, can you tell me something I don't know? And if you think about Mark Isaacs, he made a documentary called Lift, and he spent about 3 months in a lift in the suburbs of London, and he asked all sorts of questions. Obviously, none of the things that he was told he was aware of, because it was a journey of discovery. The film doesn't feature how some of these stories ended up, but Mark Isaacs has come to a couple of events I organized, and in these events, he really did reveal how the subjects felt about the filming, and it was really interesting. It's incredible. But of course, he was somewhat related to the environment he filmed. So if you ask a question and you could record it on your phone, and say, look, tell me something I'm not familiar with, then maybe the people there can help you look into a location rather than the people. But the relationship between space and those who inhabit the space could be at the center of your idea. And maybe write a short synopsis about the space or about the location, and maybe how you would resolve a problem that these people have reported. Keep daily memos, that's what I would suggest, and document what you have come up with in terms of testimonies and any ideas that just come your way when you interact with the world around you. Do you have a better understanding of what you are sensitive to? And now that you do, how do you specifically as an artist tell this particular story in a very unique manner? That's the main question that I'd like you to think about today.